Hello dear students, in this lecture we are going to describe the following sets by regular expression. In this problem the languages are given, and as per the given languages we are going to determine the regular expression. So first language is the set of all strings of zeros and ones ending with 00. So here the compulsory thing is what? The entire string is ending with 00. So we know the fixed position of 00, that is at the end we have 00. But before 00 we have the set of all strings of zeros and 1. So it consists of any combination of zeros and 1. That means that 0 and 1s come many times, or it may come infinite times, or it may come 0 times, but any string should end with 00. And if this type of language is given, the corresponding regular expression is 0 plus 1 bracket star. That means it shows any string of zeros and 1. Star means it may occur 0 times or many times. And 00 there is no star. That means this 00 is the compulsory string which is coming at the end. For example, this particular type of language generate the sets 0 0 0. That means 0 0 is coming at the end and 0 is generating one time. 0 0 0 0. That means 0 is generating two times and ending two zeros are there. 0 1 1 0 0. So 0 0 is the end, and before 0 0 we have 0 1 1. That is 0 is coming one time and 1 is coming two times. 1 0 0. So if we observe these strings, we can see that each and every string is ending with 0 0. Second language is the set of all strings of zeros and ones. See, the statement is same, the set of all strings of zeros and 1, but the condition is beginning with 0 and ending with 1. So here 0 plus 1 star is same, but the condition here given that beginning is 0. That means you have to write 0 at very first position and ending with 1. So at the last you have to write 1. But in between these 0 and 1 we have the set of all strings of zeros and 1. So in between 0 and 1 we have written 0 plus 1 star. In this type of language the set is given and we have to write down the language which produces by the given set. So set is given L3 is equal to null 1 1 4 times 1, then 6 times 1s and so on. So we can easily see here that this is the combination of 1 1 but which is coming odd time. So in null means 0, it is not generating any string. So 1 1 is coming 0 times, which is even number. 1 1 is coming 2 times, again it is even number. 1 1 is coming 4 times, again it is even number. 1 1 is coming 6 times, again it is even number. So in general this particular set can be written in the regular expression as 1 1 star. So here 1 1 star means this string is generating the set or generating the strings which has even number of ones. Even number of ones, that means 0 times, 2 times, 4 times, 6 times or 8 times and so on. So here 1 1 star is given. We are writing the combination of 1 1, not single one. We are writing the combination of 1 1. Then 1 1 coming 0 times means null. 1 1 coming 1 times means 1 1. 1 1 coming 2 times means 4 times ones. 1 1 coming 2 times means 4 times ones. So that generate even number of ones. 1 1 is coming 3 times. That means 1 is generating 6 times. So ultimately this type of strings generate even number of ones. So this is how we can generate the language or corresponding regular expression by looking at the pattern or by looking at the language given in the problem. Thank you for listening.